About to reach the dispatch point. Green light flashes on there, and bit of speed from the middle of the track, but the pole marker will hold them out at this stage. Gone too far. It's going to do it nicely. From slotting onto its back there will be off the top of my head, and not a lot of speed on. Hashtag just strolls across, and he might take up the running. Hashtag the way he's going there. Not really asked to, but we'll press on now and take up the running. Caught a little bit wider there was Milano, which is going to be caught without cover at this stage. Settling fifth spot there is Trawling, just behind it, about 2 lengths off its back. There will be Rebellin Ruby, and last of all, they're about 3 lengths away, is Had to Be Country. They head down the back there, and well, there's been a couple of changes, and it looks as though Milano's going to press on after finding the top. Hashtag was content to hand over there from back into three back the pegs there. Has gone too far. The pole marker in turn there, racing fourth there, will be off the top of my head after beginning very nicely. Then Trawling, they're all on the pegs at this stage, and travelling along there. Last of all, there will be Had to Be Country, and just up in front of it there will be the other one there, which I'm about to get. Yeah, we'll sort that out in a moment. But as I head down and about to get the bell this time, no speed on whatsoever. It's been a dawdle at this stage, and Milano shows the way clear. We've had 3 different leaders, but no real challenges. Hashtags on its back. In turn, gone too far is 3 back the pegs. Looking to come off the fence there at this stage is off the top of my head, and it does so as I speak. Getting cover onto its back there will be Had to Be Country. Going back to the pegs is Trawling, and Rebellin Ruby was the one on this performance. Last of all there, the mid-race move here. I'm not happy with the speed, and often around him. Had to Be Country is trying to improve. While this is going on, Milano holds a length and a quarter break from Hashtag, enjoying a good run. Has gone too far to the outside and running up into a clear third. There is Had to Be Country getting onto its back there, or trying to get onto its back, and the running line was off the top of my head. Trawling is back to second last there, but only 4 lengths off him. And last of all, and probably the closest it's been there, is Rebellin Ruby, is taking up the slack to be on the back of the pack. At the 400 though, and Milano travels all right for mine, does the job nicely. Hashtag's the main danger. It travels nicely on the leader's back, doing a little bit of bullocking now on there. Up on the outside there was Had to Be Country there. Back on the inside was gone too far, but on the corner Milano comes around with a nice break and doing the job all right. Although as I speak now, out of the pack, Hashtags come very quickly. Hashtag's finishing over the top of them. Too good from Hashtag, gets home. Hashtag will win. Place for second, maybe Milano holding on from the fast finishing, gone too far. Getting home nicely there was off my head. Margin about 8 metres back there to Trawling, and finishing together there Had to Be Country on the